Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Samsung SmartThings hub with SmartThings app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Samsung SmartThings hub. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Samsung account credentials and log in. Once logged in, tap the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add Device from the menu options. Choose Hub from the list of device categories. Select Samsung SmartThings Hub and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will now search for your hub. Make sure your hub is powered on. Once the hub is detected, tap on it to begin the authorization process. Follow the instructions to connect the hub with your SmartThings account. You may need to confirm the connection by pressing the button on your hub. After successfully authorizing, the SmartThings app will show the hub is connected. You can now begin adding and managing compatible smart devices within the app. Review the smart devices you want to include in your setup. Follow the prompts to add each device, ensuring they are within range. Once all devices are added, you can customize their settings as needed. Explore automations and routines to enhance your smart home experience. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized your Samsung SmartThings hub with the SmartThings app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.